Hey, it's Joseph from Themagictouch. Today I'm going to show you the revolutionary one-step self-weeding, self-cutting transfer paper T1. That's right, one-step self-weeding, self-cutting intended for all light and medium color shirts. So basically white, ash gray, yellows, purples, blues, greens, colors of that nature. So I'm going to show you how the T1 works. So we have our image, which we printed off the Oki white toner printer, Baby Yoda. And we're going to show you how simple and easy the T1 paper is to use. So we have our heat press set at 300 degrees for a whopping 10 seconds. Now remember, this is just one step self-weeding, self-cutting. There's no need to cut around the image with scissors or anything. It's going to only transfer the toner, okay? So we have our heat press set at 300 degrees. We're going to put our transfer down and we're going to press for 10 seconds. The pressure is going to be about a light to medium pressure. Now, after the 10 seconds are up, the T1 is not a hot peel, it's not a cold peel, it's a warm peel. So we're going to take it off the heat press, and we're going to gingerly just fan it for about 5 seconds, just to let it cool off just a little bit. What I love to do then is put it back down on the heat press, and just peel the transfer right off. Look at that. One step, self-weeding, self-cutting. All the toner transferred from the paper. Now, look how great that is. But what makes our paper revolutionary is the washability, durability. So I'm going to show you how it's done here. We have our one special sheet, which is called the T-Seal, which basically pushes all the toner inside the fibers of the shirt. This is the sheet 1 here, right here. It's reusable up to 500 times. This one sheet of paper is reusable that many times. So we put the coated side down on the image. Now, with this, you can press from anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the quality of the shirt. We love to press for 60 because it gives it that longer durability that you're looking for. So, all you have to do is set your timer to 30 to 60 seconds and press it. Now remember, that one sheet of paper, the T-Seal, is reusable over and over again, and it gives you the durability and washability that you want, okay? So, after that's done, just set it aside and keep reusing it over and over again, okay? Once it's done, I'm going to take it right off and just remove it. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to do T1 one-step self-weeding. Now, here's the test right here. This is still hot. It feels very smooth to the touch, but when you stretch a transfer when it's hot, what happens? It cracks. Let me show you. Ready? Take a look. That's how you know the durability is there. That's how you know the washability is there, because the toner is embedded inside the fibers of the shirt. It's not laying on top. So there you have it. The T1 one-step self-weeding, self-cutting transfer paper. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you so much.